This is a 1954 Mercury Monterey hardtop, black and white, two-tone. It's an auction car at Lakeland Airport. The Carlisle company is running that auction. I don't like the chrome surround around the headlamps. The original would have been painted the body color, but a lot of people did that. Notice there is a cover over the windshield. That was popular back in the day, and this car has a Continental kit. Now the interior looks good. Check it out. And I like the dashboard. That way it's laid out dates back to 1952, and this is the last year for that, where the controls are centered right in front of the driver. Nice layout. And the car has automatic transmission, as you can see, Mercury. The taillights are a one-year only thing, and I like them too. And this Continental kit is very long, and I think it detracts from the car, but that's just my opinion. And of course it has you-know-who on the spare tire there. Elvis was very popular. And we check out the other side, and here we go. The 256 overhead valve V8. It's the first year for the overhead valve V8 engine for Mercury. So overall, it's a nice car.